overtone scales. Check them out. The overtone scale. It's a scale and it's overtones. Okay, so what I just played for you was the overtone scale. Now this is a great way to work on your sound. Speaking of sound, I apologize for my voice. I am not feeling great this past weekend. I think my daughter got me sick. But anyways, besides the point. So it's a great way to work on your sound in a fun way. And you can set a metronome. You can play it as long tones. I just played it quickly there just to show you what an overtone scale sounds like. So what I played there was the B flat scale tenor key, starting on low B flat. So it was a low B flat overtone. So this is all without the octave key. You finger low B flat and you play an octave above low B flat. That's the middle B flat. And then you go to C. And then when you go to D, you still have no octave key. Same thing with E flat. And then when you go to F, you go back to the low B flat fingering for F. Then C, low C for the G. For A, you're fingering D. And then when you get to the B flat above the register, you're fingering low B flat again. And then if you want to play the ninth or the second, then you finger low C to get the C above that B. And then work your way back down. Really super easy concept. You can do this with low B flat. You can do it starting on low B. You can do it starting on low C and low C sharp. So you can do all those scales. And it's a really great way to develop your sound. It's a great way to work on your overtones, which is another good way of working on your sound. And you can use it as long tones. And you can use it as a part of your playing once you get really comfortable doing overtones and hearing them. So you want to play these as long tones, and you want to be able to hear the next note that's coming. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to kind of adjust your throat. Now you shouldn't be doing much with your lips, like tightening up your lips to get these notes out. You should still feel very relaxed here. Your throat should be open, and your throat should be making the proper adjustments to make the notes come out, to make the overtones come out the way they're supposed to. So try this out. Let me know how it goes. Just a quick short video this week on sound development. In my opinion, is the most important thing. Having a good sound is so crucial to listeners just enjoying the music. So have fun. Let me know how it goes. Remember, stay positive, stay progressing. Until next time, take care.